What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to crop a video in CapCut PC. First of all, open your CapCut PC, then drag and drop a video clip into the timeline. Then select your video clips, click to videos option from right menu, then click to mask. Click to mask and then add mask. You can see here is multiple crop option. You can select anyone from here to make your video crop, like this or this or this, or you can also select heart shape. You can also film tape, film strip, split, star, brush. You can also add blending option like this, and also circle to rectangle, and also you can rotate using this icon. That's it. It's very simple and easy tricks how to crop a video in CapCut PC. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.